डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस, रोजमर्रा बोले जाने वाले फिक्रात। वो एक्सीडेंट में बाल बाल बचा। He had a narrow escape from the accident. He had a narrow escape from the accident. उसकी तकरीर ने जलती पर तीखी का काम किया। His speech added fuel to fire. His speech added fuel to fire. उसकी बात ने मेरे जख्मों पर नमक छिड़का। His remarks added insult to my injury. His remarks added insult to my injury. अली अपने वालिदैन की आंख का तारा है। Ali is apple of his parents' eyes. Ali is apple of his parents' eyes. मुश्किल वक्त के लिए जरूर कुछ न कुछ बचा कर रखो। You must save something for a rainy day. You must save something for a rainy day. बिल्कुल आखिरी लम्हे वो रेलवे स्टेशन पहुंचा। At the 11th hour, he reached the railway station. At the 11th hour, he reached the railway station. वो मेरा बहुत गहरा दोस्त है। He is my fast friend. He is my fast friend. तुम्हारी नाकामी तुम्हारे लिए छुपी हुई एक रहमत है। Your failure is a blessing in disguise for you. Your failure is a blessing in disguise for you. अपना बोरिया बिस्तर उठाओ और मेरे घर से निकल जाओ। Get out of my house, bag and baggage. Get out of my house, bag and baggage. इधर उधर की बातें छोड़ो, काम की बात करो। Do not beat about the bush. Come to the point. Do not beat about the bush. Come to the point. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.